little friends. Thank you for coming back to watch a Midnight Madness number 3. I hope you're enjoying the episode so far. If you're not, turn it off. I don't care.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jeff.
You got your sunglasses on.
This is Alison.
Oh my goodness.
And this is episode 3 of Midnight Madness.
Jeff let me walk around half the night with a bloody snot thing hanging out my nose.
When did that happen?
I was up at the dock, and he goes, "You got a booger hanging out." And I was like, "How long has it been hanging out?" And he goes, "Oh, I don't know, a little while." Who does that? Who doesn't tell someone that they have a booger hanging out their nose?
Leave your comment below if you're an arsehole husband like me. Hey, come
Horrible
on.
thing to do.
Cut the chit chat.
Earlier today, I had a no, this is the first day. I had a big streak of sauce. I was eating. No, don't do that. I was eating one of those kebabby things from the dog.
Kebabby thing.
I have no idea how it got from my mouth on my forehead.
You're yelling at me here.
And Jeff didn't tell me about that either.
Just titanium my complex. Hey, talk to me. Day 3 on the resilient virgin lady, whatever it is. Today's code word is insane. So if you pick that, you've just won yourself a Rolls Royce. What were your thoughts on today? Let's go.
That was pretty insane.
I got to tell you, highlight of the day. Highlight of the day was having a sleep this afternoon.
Did you sleep?
Now.
I was in the hammock. I didn't sleep.
Low light, and I'd hate to say this because I've been oh no, our TV just turned itself off. We've got problems, technical problems with our TV. We had.
I contacted the help desk, and they came knocking at the door just as Jeff walked out in the nude from the shower.
We had.
And he went, "Ooh, Al, you have to answer the door." And I went, "Why?" And he went running back in the nutty. He ran to the bathroom, locked the door.
Hey, here's a quick one. I can't say it right. I'm sorry. Toronga.
It's Taronga.
Toronga was absolutely beautiful. If you come to New Zealand, you've got to come and see this place. Absolutely amazing. Mm-hmm. We ate at the test kitchen tonight.
Oh, you've jumped ahead. You've jumped ahead.
Service was fantastic, but
this is supposed to be like a recap of the day. You jumped ahead.
What? Oh, we went for a swim.
No, we went for a walk.
Yeah.
I got Jeff out of bed really early and made him go for a walk. And we walked back through Taronga and...
Yeah.
And we got back to the ship. And then we came back to the room and I hung around in the hammock for about... I spent 2 hours in the hammock.
7 hours. 7
2 hours in the hammock. I loved it. Every single minute of it. It was great. Just swaying in the breeze. And then we had a shower.
I haven't worn undies and I was swinging in the breeze too.
And we went and got ourselves a drink and waited for the...
What's that?
Somebody upstairs. And went for a bit of a... What did we do? We went... we went outside and we watched us go and leave. That was about 4 o'clock this afternoon.
We had prawns.
Before that, we went back to the wellness pool. We actually got our togs today and got in the water and had a bit of a float around.
Depending on where you're from, togs, swimmers, bathers, cozies.
We jumped in and everybody's sitting there and everyone was thinking, like, who's going to push the button? Because there's a button right in the middle and no one was pushing it. And I actually said really loudly, I went, "Everybody's thinking you got to push the button." No one's pushed the button. Some guy said, "I'll do it." And he pushed the button and we're all away. We all had a nice little spa.
Anyway, so dinner.
We did that and then we had some frosé all days. And then we came back, had a shower, and then we went...
Drinking.
We watched the Diva sing. We watched the Diva. That was good. I enjoyed that. And then, yes, we went to dinner. We went to the test kitchen tonight.
All right.
Would I go back to the test kitchen again? No, I wouldn't.
No.
I loved it. Look, don't get me wrong. I really liked it.
It's the first fail.
I really enjoyed that little mushroom thing that you see.
Oh, that was awesome.
And we did the cocktail pairing.
$90 bucks. $90, 6 cocktails each. And
Okay, so Jeff's full of really positives here. He's a glass half empty sort of guy anyway. But look, the food was really good. It was good. There's nothing wrong with the food, but I don't know, it just wasn't our thing. And you know what? It's because we're so used to eating like food like Italian
kangaroo,
and Mexican,
polar bear,
toasted
reindeers,
sandwiches. You get something a bit different, everyone goes, oh, it's so different.
English salami on cereals.
I liked it.
Yeah.
I liked it, but I wouldn't do it again. I think it's those one-off things.
Hey, we went to the galley for lunch. How good was that?
It wasn't lunch, it was like breakfast.
Well, we didn't have
I
breakfast.
had a salmon on toast. It was beautiful. It was beautiful, yeah.
I had a BLT toasted.
Spent a bit of time out on the dock. Had some shrimp on a stick.
I like the shrimp on a stick.
Yeah.
But that's about it. And then we just watched the show.
Oh, we went and watched The Mind Mangler. It was good. I really liked it.
I could tell you.
Jeff didn't like it because he was a glass half empty sort of guy.
I could tell you laughing your head off when no one else was laughing, and everyone's looking at you going, "Is she all right?"
No,
and I'm going, "I bet she's been let out. She's been let out for the day."
I thought it was hilarious, and I love the Jesus things.
That was good. Quick fire Jesus.
Quick fire Jesus, Jeff liked quick fire Jesus.
Yeah, that was good.
I thought that it was so witty and very and you know what? If you weren't witty, you wouldn't have understood half the act, and I think that's what the problem was, because I'm wittier.
You're
and I understood every single thing he did. I thought it was hilarious.
You're Hey, don't
Jeff, glass half empty and no wit.
That's us anyway, so hope you've enjoyed night 3's Midnight Madness. Not very good tonight because
what are we doing tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
Eating.
What'd you say? It's not very good tonight.
Eating.
You're sitting here in your sunglasses. He's still dressed. You know what's going to happen. He's going to turn this video off and he's going to piss off out the door and leave me here by myself.
I would never do that.
Yes, he is. That's exactly what he's going to do.
I would never do that.
That's exactly what he's going to do. You know what? He does that most cruises, and I end up in the room alone. I don't even have my cup of tea anymore. I got a can of Coke.
Charcuterie.
And he's in his sunnies.
All right, come on.
He's ready to go. He's going to go party the town until 3 o'clock in the morning. And then I'll be sound asleep, and he'll come busting through the door. He tells me, and everybody will be like, "Who's in 11290?" And it's like, "Oh, that's just Jeff coming home at 3 in the morning."
Don't be disorientated about the test kitchen. All right, everything's fantastic. We're having a great time.
Oh, you changed topics again.
Except Al wants to go to bed early all the time.
No, I don't. Jeff gets up at 11 o'clock. I get up at 5:30 and I'll wait around for 5 hours until he gets out of bed to go and do something for the day.
Later, peeps. See you tomorrow night for Midnight Madness.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is night 3. I'm the resilient lady. I'm so sorry about the boogers in your nose.